44th Sinulog celebration, dubbed as Sinulog sa Sugbo Philippines, has officially begun.
And the Mardi Gras na Sinulog sa Sugbo Philippines 2024, still one Cebu Island open!
Following the launch of the 459th Fiesta Senior celebration on the 11th of January, the cultural side of the festival also kicked off the following day, January 12, 2024. The festivities starting with a gathering during the 2:30 Novena Mass at the Basilica Minore del Santo Niño de Cebu.
Ang sinulog grasya tinatag sa Ginoo, o kay grasya tinatag man sa Ginoo, atong sa ulugon sa tumang kahibuot o kalipay, dili sa kalabot, dili sa kasuko.
The streets of 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝘀𝗃𝗹 and 𝗦𝗏𝗂𝗓𝗔 Boulevard were then filled with the students from 18 different schools in Cebu for the parade leading towards the Cebu City Sports Complex. Among the groups that participated was the University of Visayas Filipiniana group, dressed in their Cordillera costumes, whose performers led the parade by showcasing a cultural presentation of the Sinulog dance, along with ethnic movements. Upon arriving at the Cebu City Sports Complex, the candidates of Miss Cebu 2024 were then presented.
It was a lot of fun, actually. I really love the pace of it because it really allows you to take your time and to really say hi to all the people, see everything. It's such a great experience.
How are you feeling that?
On my end, I was actually the one navigating the 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗃𝗹 because my pochero wanted me to experience, and that's something that us Cebuanos have an integral part, especially with our history.
The opening salvo commenced with a welcome message by Vice Mayor Raymond Garcia and Mayor Michael Rama.
The entire City Council of the City of Cebu, together with Congressman 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗏, I welcome you all to the opening salvo of the 2024 Sinulog Festival, still one Cebu Island.
Opening activities, still one Cebu Island open!
𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗃𝗹𝗁!
The participating schools then showcased their different presentations representing the various regions of the Philippines. One of the performers was 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗃𝗃𝗹, who skillfully balanced 8 pots on her head while gracefully dancing barefoot as a tribute to Señor Santo Niño.
Yeah, okay ro ma'am. Actually, naandad na ko ingon ani every year, mo na ko mga panaan. Okay ro ma'am. Actually, sakit siya sa diri, pero na-carry ra siya.
Stephen and Joni from Cebu Technological University Danao Campus, on the other hand, shared their mixed feelings of excitement and gratitude after joining the Sinulog opening salvo for the first time.
Okay, guys, tanan mga. Thank you guys sa mayor diri sa Cebu City sa taga-Danao, taga-Sinulog.
Madagdag may lang lawas sa mong pamilya. Tanan!
While Kyle from Lapu-Lapu Cebu International College Dance Troupe says her fervent prayer to the Holy Child this year is for guidance in her studies.
Kanang makapasar, ako og grades, niya hopefully soon kay makagraduate na.
The festivities wrap up with a vibrant grand finale presentation, filling the stage with colorful costumes, world-class talent, and the heartfelt devotion of the performers to Señor Santo Niño. This has been Mary Francis Lynn Caayon for Sinulog 2024 sa MyTV.